daw nagkamali sa pagpili, si Donnie. Ayon sa aktor, sobrang sarap lang sa feeling when you found someone who likes everything about you. Your body, your looks, your attitude, basta anything na mayroon ka. Yung kahit meron kang flaws and perfection, even you're not best, pero still ikaw yung pinili niya. Yung kahit madami mas better sa'yo, pero para sa kanya, you are more than enough. Sapat ka na sa kanya. Sabat na sa kanya na meron siyang ikaw. These days, it's too rare to find someone who can appreciate things na mayroon tayo. So if we found that someone already, i-keep natin. Huwag natin sayangin. Dagdag pa ng aktor, thank you for making my day complete. Thank you for always staying with me, and thank you for being there when I need you. Thank you for making me smile, and thank you for all love.